Hello po, good day. Bali, ito na po yung inyong order for the brand new Nintendo Switch OLED. 512 gig po natin. So, meron na po siya naka-install na tempered glass for additional protection. Serial ending 0790. Now, yung switch po ninyo is naka-dual boot na rin po siya, meaning it has our jailbreak mode and yung ating legit mode. Currently, ina-access muna natin yung ating jailbreak mode po kasi automatic na rin siya. Every time naman that we turn on normally our switch, una niyang i-access ay ang jailbreak mode natin first. SD card, inserted na rin po para siya sa inyong switch unit. So again, this is 512 gig. Now this order is going to Lucena City, Quezon. Okay. So ito po yung mga games that we were able to install, yung mga requested games po ninyo. And then we've added a few others para ma-fully maximize po natin yung memory capacity. So for 512 gig, maraming na po kayong mga games na pwedeng pagpilian. Then pakita ko lang din yung buttons natin. Although na-stress test na rin namin yung inyong unit, so this is just for our video demo na rin. Okay. Actually, naka-pair na po yung inyong tawag nito, Joy-Con. Punta pa lang yung wireless Bluetooth niya. Ayan. Wireless Bluetooth working. And then sa album folder, andito po yung mga homebrew applications that we have. Now, pakita ko na lang din mabilis because we are currently on jailbreak mode. If you are going to check naman rin po yung inyong serial number, hindi po siya lalabas dito kasi one of our ban prevention is minamask po natin yung serial number naman during jailbreak mode access. So makikita po ninyo na naka-00 po ang inyong serial. Now, you don't need to worry kasi makikita nyo rin yung inyong serial number once you've accessed your legit mode. And then, yung ating controls. So let's start with our right Joy-Con. Ayan. So no drifting. And yung ating left Joy-Con naman. Yeah, so no drifting. Si RZL, RL, ating class minus, ABXY. Not sure if you can see. So ABXY natin as minus. And then analog buttons, directional buttons, screenshot, SR, SL, and then SR, SL, and yung ating home button. So all buttons working. And connect ko lang sa net first. Your net. Yan ko lang po yung password ko. I'll just delete this one. So turn off ko lang yung ating switch and then access naman natin yung second boot which is our legit mode. So before we turn on our unit, we just need to wait lang po na mga around 10 to 15 seconds which will be enough time para yung mod chip natin sa load is totally ma-turn off po muna. Okay, so let's try. Turning on. And then once you see the logo na lumabas, hold down nyo lang po agad yung ating volume down button. Hold down agad para mapunta naman tayo sa ating Hecate menu option. Now, for normal process in accessing our legit mode, we just need to select our legit mode sysnand. But currently, dahil hindi pa po updated or hindi pa rather stable yung bagong update na lumabas, we just need to follow this temporary steps muna. Click nyo lang po yung close button, select reboot, and then choose OFW. So sa legit mode naman natin, dito po tayo pwede mag-access na ating eShop, multiplayer online, or if meron po kayo mga physical game cartridges, dito nyo rin po siya pwedeng laruin. And dahil nasa legit mode naman po tayo ngayon, if you are going to check your album folder, expect na hindi po ninyo makikita dito yung mga homebrew applications. Rather, kung meron na po kayo mga nakasave na photos or screenshots, dito po siya lalabas. And then as what I've mentioned before, yung serial po ninyo, dito nyo po makikita once you've accessed your legit mode. So serial, I believe, as I can recall, it ends in 0790. Ayan, 0790, which is the same dito sa sticker po sa inyong switch unit. And then we also have serial number dito mismo sa box, ending in 0790, which is the same. Alright. Ako lang yung ating switch. Now, papita po lang yung other inclusions doon sa inyong package. Of course, complete accessories that comes along with the box. Yung ating Joy-Con, we have our charger, our HDMI, hand grip side strap, andito po siya, and then our charging dock. We've included as well, aside from yung freebie natin na tempered glass, we also have an additional freebie pouch na rin. So, okay na po yung inyong switch. Bali, papak na lang din namin siya and then wait na lang namin yung courier for pickup. Pa-wait na lang din po na mag-update yung tracking information sa inyong app. Alright, thank you po and happy gaming!